Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome again to another edition of Lolwe TV Fitness. Karibuni sana. You can catch us on the socials, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. That's the one. Karibuni sana. This is our team from Elixir Wellness. You can find us at www.elixirwellness.com or Elixir Wellness Kenya on the socials. Thank you so much for joining us. Today we are going to have a deck of cards workout. This is a good workout that you can do at home by yourself. And basically what you do is you pick 4 exercises and you choose which card you want. So the number signifies how many times you do the reps, and the flower signifies what you do. So today we're going to have, for diamonds, we're going to do jumping jacks. Hapa. For those who have broken ankles or sprained ankles, like Afrofab here, you follow Afrofab. If you have a problem with knees or ankles, for the hearts, we're going to do crunches, which is basically a sit-up. Watch us when we get to that point. We are going to have push-ups for spades, press up kwa wengine wetu of a certain age, and then we're going to have a downward dog, and we will demonstrate that as we go along. Karibuni sana. So we are going to start with a 10 of hearts, which is 10 crunches. Let's go, people. Twende kazi. So we're doing crunches. You can do sit-ups if you want it to be more challenging, but otherwise all we're doing is get your shoulders off the ground and go here. Here, if you want a full sit-up, come full military, hapa. So, aya, let's go. 10 crunches. 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we are going for 10 of clubs, which is downward dog. So basically, we're getting into a plank position, like so, and going into a downward dog and back. Do this at your own pace. If we move on to the next one before you, just make sure that as the days go by, as the weeks go by, you are progressing. So if you can only do 3 or 4 today, your aim is to, next time we say 10, get to 10, yes? 6, 7, 8, back into plank, 9, and 10. Walk it in, and another 5. 5 downward dogs. Let's go. This is the beauty of this workout. It's very high intensity. If you take it as high intensity, and it surprises you. It's full of surprises. All the way, make that bridge. 5. We've got 7 of diamonds. What are we doing? Jumping jacks, please. 7 jumping jacks. If you've got issues with knees or ankles, please follow what Afrofab is doing here. The rest of you follow myself and Benja. Let's go. 7. 7. And then 3 clubs, which is again more downward dogs. Let's go. Let's get these ones out of the way, man. Let's go. Just 3. 1, 2, 3. Alafu turudi ndani. 6 jumping jacks. Nakwambia leo mtaimba. Twende. 5, 6. What's next? Aya. Tuko hapo kwenye spades, push-ups. Remember, with this, you can either do a full push-up or you can do a box push-up, a cheating one like the ones I do, because my upper body is a bit weak. Aya, twende for 10. Let's go. Making sure that you maintain that plank position. It doesn't matter which one you choose, you're maintaining that perfect plank position. Let's go, 3 more. Benzo Befika. Our second lot of hearts. We're going here for 8 of hearts. So 8 crunches. Let's go. Eight. And then it's diamonds, 10 diamonds, 10 jumping jacks, followed by 2 downward dogs. I think sahi wala mko home, mmeshikamita. Remember, if you've got issues with your knees or ankles, please follow what Afrofab is doing here. We're going back to 2 downward dogs and then 10 downward dogs. So we've got 12 downward dogs, please. 12 downward dogs. Let's go. Plank position. Wow, Benja. 4, 5, 6. I know that if you're new to exercise, this is probably burning now. Yes? But stay with it. Trust the process. Back into plank and back out. Let's go. 4 more. 2 and 1. And then 5 jumping jacks, please. And plus 2 jumping jacks. And then we get a joker, which means we rest. So 7 jumping jacks. Let's go. Well done, guys. And that was perfectly timed with the music, isn't it? Right, have some water if you need it. Guys at home, remember hydration is extremely important if we're doing exercise. Make sure that you've got water handy and drink it, yes? We're just going to rest here for half a minute. For those who feel like you've got extra energy, please either walk like so or come back down and do extra crunches. I like people who do extra homework without being asked, because the gains are yours. The gains are yours, not anyone else's. Yes? Right, remember, in this program, we have active rest, yes? So anytime we stop to rest, just walk it out, yes? Yeah. Apo. Apo kamengia. Apo pamsi tupeleke. Apo. Yeah. 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 This is how we rest. Yeah. Benja swimming. Right, guys. Let's get ready to go, yes? We're ready. So we've got 8 of spades, which is 8 push-ups, followed by 2 jumping jacks, followed by 10 jumping jacks. That's 12 jumping jacks. Let's go. 8 push-ups. Remember, you can either do full push-ups here or box push-ups like I like to do for 8. Let's go. Alright, so in the jumping jacks. 2 plus 10, 12, 20. Fabu many confused. Fabu is counting. Right, and then 4 push-ups. Let's go. If you're not sweating yet, you need to come and see us in Donholm or Kilimani. 20. Oh, 4. Wololo. And then we've got diamonds. 10 plus 3 diamonds, which makes what? 13. 13 jumping jacks. Let's go. And then we've got 10 of spades, which is 10 push-ups, please. Let's go. Followed by 10 crunches. Let's go. Followed by 10 crunches. 20. Mayo. Are we ready? Are we ready? Always ready. I was born ready. Let's go. Making sure your shoulders are back on the ground, shoulders off the ground again, yes? Let's go. Ten of hearts. What is hearts? We just did that. Aya. 5 of spades. 5 push-ups, please. Let's go. 5 push-ups followed by 10 downward dogs. Let's go. Remember, guys at home, this is at your own pace, yes? Doesn't matter if you can keep up with us today. The idea is to come in every week, 3 times a week, and you will build it up. Let's go. Downward dog. 10, please. Back into plank and out. Back in plank, out. Making sure that that line of your back, your neck, your head are staying in position. You're just creating a hinge with your hip. Yes? Let's go. Claps. Times 10. Unachomwa. 5 crunches, please. Plus 6 crunches. That makes 11 crunches, please. Remember, you can either do crunches here, touch, shoulders off the ground, touch. If you're struggling to get your shoulders off the ground, literally just come up. Just that. Just that. Or for those people who are feeling super fit, twende kazi. Afrofab. You should make up. Now that you're not doing jumping jacks. Yes? So here we have many variations of a crunch or a full sit-up, yes? And rest. Okay, so guys, whenever we have a rest, make sure that you have some water. It's important to be hydrated. So important. I am the gains, Sindio. Right. Remember, as we rest, we always come back into that walk, Sindio. Afrofab. This is your part. Twende. Situpeleke. Twende nabi. This is how we rest, guys. Hakuna kuketi. Cramp walk. Right, guys. This is our last segment. We've literally got 12 more to go of what we're doing. It's a surprise because it's a deck of cards workout. We shuffle. What comes is what we do, right? Twende kazi. Hapo kwenye 7 of spades. 7 push-ups, please. Let's go. So 7 of those, and then 6 downward dogs, please. Let's go. Into plank. Remember, it's just a hinge. It's a hinge at your hip, and we're coming there, making your heel go towards the ground, hinge and back. Let's go. 7. 3, 2, 1. And then we've got 4 of diamonds, is 4 jumping jacks, and then 3 push-ups. Let's go. 4. Hapo kwenye 3 push-ups, please. Let's go. Twende. The tempo is coming up. Let's go. And then 10 more push-ups, please. After that, 10 jumping jacks. Let's go, guys. We're approaching the end of this workout session, so let's really give it everything. I know it's burning. Na sitasema no pain, no gain. Sijui nani alisema hiyo kitu, lakini najua ako 6 feet under. Aya, hapo kwenye 10 jumping jacks, let's go. Yes? Are we ready? Let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Higher. 4 downward dogs, please. Plus 8 downward dogs. That makes 12 downward dogs. Let's go. Hey. 4. Just 2 more lots of 4. Let's go, people. You've got this. I know it's burning now, but we've only got 4 more to go. 3, 2, 1. And then we've got hot. 10 crunches, please. 10 crunches. And then 10 push-ups. Or 10 crunches, 9 push-ups. Let's go. Remember, everyone, this is at your own pace. So if you can't keep up with us, don't even worry about it. Build up to it. We are here 3 times a week. And if you come every single time, your gains will be real. Twende hapo kwenye 9 tafadhali, please. 9 push-ups. 9 push-ups. And then 9 jumping jacks. Let's go. Remember, even if it's just a small dip, there, it's a win. Even if all you can do for now is hold yourself up in a plank position, it's a win. Just standing up here is a win, yes? Aya, hapo kwenye diamonds. Tuko wapi? 9 jumping jacks, followed by 9 downward dogs. Let's go. Hey, nafikiri ngoma inatuambia hapa hivi sasa. And then 9 downward dogs. Come on, guys. We're nearly at the end of this workout today. 2 more exercises. 9 and then 10. Let's go. 4. Remember, come back into plank and hinge. Heel towards the ground. Let's go. 4 more. And then 10 push-ups. Get back down, crew. And then we're done. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Remember, back in plank, you can do a full one or a half one. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. 10 and rest. Well done, everyone. Have some water. Let's walk it out. If you finish, come walk it out with us. Eh? Walk it out. Eh? Well, everyone, thank you so much for joining us today. I know it hasn't been easy. I know last week was a bit more simpler. Coming into this, and I know for some of you, this might feel like a baptism of fire, but trust me, the gains, they're real. Welcome again to Lolwe TV Fitness. Catch us on the socials, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and YouTube. Remember, you can catch us on there, again, with the crew from Elixir Wellness. You can catch us Donholm Shopping Center or Kilimani Primary School. Asanteni sana, and see you again on Wednesday. Thank you.
Okay.